India's rising global influence is being witnessed across the world. Its rich history, diverse culture, and rising economy are being discussed worldwide. Experts say India has the potential to become a global superpower. All these have a massive impact on Indian origin people living abroad. They are actually preferred on all the top posts in almost all countries. On Monday, Ohio Republican Senator J.D. Vance was named the Republican vice presidential nominee by former President Donald Trump at the party's convention in Milwaukee. J.D. Vance's nomination sparked significant excitement among Indians as he's the husband of Indian origin Usha Chudukari Vance, who's played a crucial role in supporting her husband, especially in his political journey. On top of the list is Kamala Harris, the first female US Vice President and the first person of Indian descent to hold this position. Her mother, Gopalin Shamala, was Indian and born in Chennai. Kamala's maternal family continues to live in Chennai. In 2022, former British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak made history after becoming Britain's first Indian origin Prime Minister. Sunak is married to Akshata Murthy, who is the daughter of Infosys founder N.R. Narayan Murthy. Indian origin Muhammad Irfan Ali is the 9th executive president of Guyana since 2020. Chand Santokhi is serving as Suriname's president since 2020 as well. He was elected president in an uncontested election after his party's win in the 2020 polls. Santokhi was born in 1959 into an Indo-Surinamese Hindu family in Lelydorp. Pravind Jugnauth, who is serving as the Prime Minister of Mauritius, was born into a Hindu family. Jugnauth's great-grandfather migrated to Mauritius from the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh in the 1870s. Indian origin Singapore-born Tharman Shanmugaratnam is the current president of Singapore. He is also the first person of Indian descent to be elected president of Singapore. Antonio Costa, the former Prime Minister of Portugal, is of Goan descent. He is a sociologist and politician. He is half Indian and half Portuguese. Leo Eric Varadkar, former Prime Minister of Ireland, was born in Dublin. The Indian origin Leo Eric Varadkar became the Irish Prime Minister known as Taoiseach in the country in 2022. Wavel Ramakalavan has been serving as the President of Seychelles since October 2020. His great-grandfather emigrated from the state of Bihar in India. Christine Kala Kangalu became the President of Trinidad and Tobago in March 2023 after serving as the President of the Senate. She was born into an Indo-Trinidadian family. Apart from politicians, there are a number of Indian origin non-political leaders who hold key positions at multinational companies and global institutions. Ajay Banga was elected 14th President of the World Bank Group and began his 5-year term as World Bank Group President on the 2nd of June 2023. Banga started his career at Nestle, India. Sundar Pichai is an Indian-born American business executive. He is the Chief Executive Officer of Alphabet Inc. and its subsidiary, Google. Satyanarayana Nadella is an Indian-American business executive as well. He is the Executive Chairman and CEO of Microsoft. Arvind Krishna is the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of IBM. Neil Mohan is a business executive who is the current Chief Executive Officer of YouTube. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's outreach to the diaspora is a strategic part of his foreign policy, aiming to build a global community of Indians who are loyal to their host countries but also support their country of origin. The PM has established a special bond with the Indian diaspora. For the Indians who live abroad, Prime Minister Modi's visits resemble a visit from a family member. These interactions come across as a reunion.